Welcome to Pydle Day 59. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. If you haven't played before, then follow along. I'm going to solve yesterday's Pydle. But before we do that, today's Pydle is the Greek delta symbol in purple on the white background. You probably noticed we have had a kind of theme of Greek and mathematical symbols. We're going to have a few more days of that. So have a go at solving today's Pydle. If you haven't played Pydle before, just watch along and you kind of catch the tricks how to solve a Pydle. So yesterday's Pydle was a Greek theta symbol. So you can either focus on doing the white or the orange pixels first, and you can use both kind of normal Pydle coordinates or a Cartesian coordinate system. They both should be quite easy. So let's use the Pydle coordinate system. So you're just going to do for x comma y in range. So sorry, I'm using list comprehension, so I need a list inside for I in range 25. So the tuple we generate inside that list is it's going to be I modulus 5 and I integer division 5. That's going to give us our list. So if we focus on the orange pixels, we can see there's a pattern of every second row. So we can say if 0 is less than less than y, x I mean, less than 4, and y and modulus 2 equals 0. So it's going to be the even ones, then do Pydle x comma y comma no character orange. That needs to be in quotes. So we've got a few colors in Pydle. You can kind of work out what they are. Okay, so that took care of the vertical orange bars. So all we need to do is vertical. Did I say vertical or horizontal? Yeah. So anyway, those were the horizontal bars. Then we need to do the verticals. So we sometimes try and do Pydle in as few lines as possible. I'm going to make it a bit more easier to read. So I'm going to do an else if there. And in this case, it's going to be y that needs to be in that range, and x in 0, 4. You see, so that the y range needs to be 1 to 3, and x needs to be either 0 for the left or 4 for the right. I did something wrong there. Forgot the colon. Normally in Python you would do that to make it more readable. You could do that. You can also do it on online. And all that remains is for us to do the whites. So there are a lot of different ways to tackle a Pydle. You may have done the whites first, which would have been a different solution. As long as you get it right, if you run that, we have successfully solved the Pydle. Have a go yourself, and I will see you tomorrow if you just for the solution of the delta.